If you found this video today, know that your guardian angels have a special message that can change the course of your life. There is someone in your inner circle who was completely taken aback by a decision you recently made. The question lingering in the air is, what exactly did you mean by that choice? The angels are whispering that you made a decision that no one, not even they, expected. Now, they long to unravel the motives that drove you. Their minds are filled with assumptions, their hopes are high, but what they most desire is to know the truth behind your thoughts and intentions. This decision you made surprised everyone, deeply shaking the foundations of the closest relationships. Suddenly, everything changed between you and this special person, as if a new phase of life was beginning. Now the connection you share is heading down an uncharted path, a direction that leaves everyone curious and somewhat apprehensive. People around want to understand if this choice was deliberate, if there was a plan behind it, and most importantly, what this change means for the future of all involved. The impact of this decision is not small. Friendships and family relationships are now on unmapped territory, full of uncertainties and questioning. Was it intentional? Was there a clear objective? What to expect from now on are questions that linger in the minds of those around you. And it's not for nothing, as significant changes in our lives always bring a dose of discomfort and insecurity, leading us to question the stability and future of our relationships. Your decision caught everyone by surprise. This surprise, however, is not a sign of disapproval, but rather an indication that something important is happening. The people around you were used to your attitudes and positions, and your choice, being so unexpected, sparked a wave of reflection. Everyone wants to understand the reasons and the impact of this decision, showing a genuine interest in what it represents for the future. This moment of change can be unsettling for both you and others. Sudden changes are often accompanied by uncertainty and insecurity. However, they also create space for growth and personal development. It is essential to recognize that, despite the initial surprise, this particular person who was taken aback by your choice cares deeply about you and wants to see you live a fulfilling and happy life. This is a time for open and honest dialogue. Communicating your reasons and feelings can help dispel any misunderstandings and strengthen relationships. It is an opportunity to explain your point of view, your hopes, and your plans for the future. Clear communication is the key for everyone to adapt to the new situation, while keeping emotional bonds strong and healthy. From the beginning, your presence has become essential to this person, creating a bond that both of you cherish and prioritize above many things. Therefore, when you make choices that affect this special relationship, it is natural that it has a significant impact. He is trying to understand what your decisions mean, especially if they indicate a desire to strengthen this connection even further. This possibility fills him with hope, nurturing a silent dream that perhaps your relationship could evolve into something even deeper and more romantic. On the other hand, there is a peaceful acceptance that, even if this evolution does not occur, having you around is already a great gain. The idea of losing this special connection by misinterpreting your actions worries him greatly. Therefore, he may seem a bit different now, as he processes this new stage. This reaction is natural, as he does not want to jeopardize what they already have due to hasty assumptions about your motives. Therefore, it is crucial that you stand firm in your decisions, not only those that affect this relationship, but in all aspects of your life. The firmness in your choices conveys security, allowing him to adjust to the new reality without fearing misunderstandings. Communicating clearly and openly can help clarify your intentions and alleviate any anxiety he may be feeling. It is an opportunity for both to explore what this change means, without haste or pressure, respecting each other's time and feelings. This period of adjustment is a proof that your relationship is strong and flexible enough to withstand changes. It also shows the importance of dialogue and mutual understanding. By sharing your thoughts and listening carefully to his, you can further strengthen the connection you have, regardless of how it evolves. The attitude of sharing your motivations with those who care is vital. However, it is essential to guard against external influences that may try to shake your confidence. The key to a successful life is believing in your intuition, this internal compass that guides your decisions towards the future. In moments of doubt and hesitation, when we choose to follow an unconventional path, it is the confidence in our intuition that guides us forward. Although the fear of the unknown is understandable, it should not stop us. Facing new challenges and exploring uncharted horizons may be exactly what we need to achieve significant personal growth and discover important aspects about ourselves. Often, it is the unexpected paths that lead us to enriching and transformative experiences that we would never experience if we settled for the safety of the comfort zone. If you feel you are at a crossroads or facing an unknown opportunity, trust your intuition and take a step forward. Even if the path is uncertain and challenging, it is through the courage to explore the unknown that we find new perspectives and possibilities. Remember that it is normal to feel apprehensive in the face of the unknown, but it is precisely in these moments that we have the chance to overcome ourselves and grow. By accepting the challenges that arise in our path, we open doors to a future full of discoveries and personal achievements. It is essential to understand that your journey is unique and that the choices made should be aligned with your own desires and aspirations, not with the expectations imposed by others. By moving forward, even in the face of differing opinions, you strengthen your integrity and reaffirm your independence. Every step taken represents a statement of your identity and your right to determine your own destiny. Understanding that your journey is unique and that the decisions made should reflect your desires and aspirations, not the expectations of others, is of utmost importance. This process of moving forward, despite diverging opinions, strengthens your character and reaffirms your autonomy. Every step taken is an affirmation of your identity and your right to choose your own path in life. In this process, open and honest communication with those who are by your side, especially with this special person, is essential. By explaining your reasons and sharing your aspirations, you not only strengthen your relationships but also build a solid support system. This circle will be your safety net, offering encouragement and constructive feedback when needed. Therefore, remember that it is your vision, courage, and confidence that guide your journey. Challenges and uncertainties are part of the journey, but it is your determination to pursue your dreams that defines how far you will go. There is nothing more rewarding than looking back and seeing that, by following your heart and intuition, you have reached places that once seemed unattainable. Stay true to yourself, embracing the opportunities that life offers with optimism and openness to the new. This is the essence of a life lived fully, marked by constant learning and personal evolution. To conclude, I offer a special prayer dedicated to you, Lord. In this sacred moment of reflection, I elevate my prayers to you, seeking support for this person who finds themselves facing the unexpected and surprising decision made, a path that left hearts full of love in a state of deep reflection. I implore with humility for light and discernment in the whirlwind of emotions and uncertainties they now face. May clarity illuminate the veil of confusion, allowing them to see beyond appearances, and may honesty and openness pave the way for genuine communication. I pray for courage so that they may express their true feelings and bravely seek the essence and motives behind these decisions, moving away from the shadows of fear and misconceptions. I ask that this journey of discovery be a source of strength for the bonds that unite them, whether in deep friendship or in a love that flourishes over time. Guide them, O Lord, to trust their instincts, those internal whispers that guide their steps on the path of goodness and truth. May they embrace, with open hearts and resilient souls, the infinite possibilities that life holds for them, knowing that in every moment of doubt or decision, your divine presence surrounds them with love and protection. May this experience, full of learning and growth, lead them to a deeper understanding of themselves and each other. May they find, in the support of your grace, the happiness they yearn for, recognizing that in every challenge, there is an opportunity to further strengthen the precious bonds they share. Grant them the serenity to accept the changes they cannot control and the wisdom to cultivate love and friendship in all their forms. Under your sacred guidance, may they walk together, confident in your constant vigilance and your infinite love that surrounds them. May this shared path be illuminated by the light of faith, hope, and unconditional love. Amen. To claim the blessings contained in this message, type 1111. Don't forget to leave a positive comment, as this not only elevates your own spirit, but also spreads kindness among other viewers who may be seeking a boost of positivity in their day. Remember that every act of kindness contributes to the cycle of good karma, attracting positive energies. Let's join forces to create a wave of positivity. And be attentive to the next important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe enlighten your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.